You're sleeping. Let's see if I can move this. Oh, aren't you sweet? I love you, Nina. I'm so glad you're mine, and I'm so glad I'm yours. You hear me? I love you so much, and you're probably the only one who's going to be here with me through thick and thin, right? Because I will be here for you, you know? You're sleeping. I tried to put your hand behind your ear, but it didn't work. That's so funny. Cutie cat, how are you? How are you, sweetheart? Now I can put your paw behind your ear. How about that? I don't know if it's visible, but right here you can see the lungs breathing. I don't know if the movement is really perceptible, but we'll see. Sleep tight, Nina. I love it when you sit down here and sleep right here with me when I'm working. I'm only moving your tail. I'm not trying to wake you up. It's okay. So, oh shoot, I woke you up. It's okay, continue sleeping. It's okay, continue sleeping. Continue sleeping, sweetheart. Isn't that paw adorable? Yes, you are. Probably your eyes are open, but you're totally asleep. Alright. Haha! I caught a little footage of you yawning. That's so difficult to get. You know that, honey. Yes. You're the new star of this YouTube channel. Sorry I woke you up, honey. It was not my intention. Hey, you just look so darn cute and I wanted to have a photo of you. Or in this case, footage. Come on, go back to sleep, honey. Or you can continue licking my hand. I love you too. And I will let you sleep in a moment, okay? If there is a reason I speak in English, that is because that's the usual language of the lingua franca of the internet, and I want this video to be understood by millions, by as many people as possible. Anyway, love you, Nina. I have to go back to work, okay? I have to leave you. Yes! More footage of you yawning.